I would like to extend my gratitude to sources for the provisions, us, our needs, and Walter. So, in Watson Red. Everybody, veterans, shalom everyone. So, ngayon, ay pupunta tayo ng Walter para Watson. Bibili na ng konting grocery and vitamins. See you later. God bless. Here again. Ang ganda sa mga. Ang ganda ba shopping earlier? Cash. So, hindi ko talaga sa vitamins, mga on personal use ko. Alcohol, usual. Para sa ating guys, ang pauwi na ako. It's around 8. Ay, the transfer. So, ayan. It's HR. Dinner. So, tatlong shumai with chaba rice. So, worth of 55 pesos lang, guys. Busog ka na kasi ang laki ng shumai ni nanay. With spicy sauce. So, galing tayo kanina sa Walter. Hindi na ako kumain sa labas kasi kailangan natin magtipid. Okay. So, yung Walter natin tonight is all about serve. So, it's a great help na for our personal things. Meron tayong maasahan na pwede natin magamit just in case emergency or wala tayong agad-agad na expense. So, ayan. Maganda siya. It's a great house. Okay. Let's eat. Precious my Lord. Not mistaken, last November pa tayo nag-Walter. So, ngayon, naubos na yung mga personal things like two-week cake ng ayan, na this follow. Maganda siya. Kasi, match siya eh. So, ito talagang ginagamit ko sa teenager. Yung mega which is same price, $1.99. And nakabili na tayo, guys, ng belt of shine. So, okay, I was almost last night. Kasi, yung isa nito, itong isa, last November, diba? Last year is worth of 235. So, ito is another price. So, supposed to be, it's worth of 400 na sana. Or 300 something. But, the cost of this bundle, dalawang peraso na, worth of, 300 ml. Kasi, 100 ml plus 200 ml. It's just 200, 285. Okay, 285. Ayun, no, I'm sorry. Ano pala yun? May right. 265. Okay, let's watch. Pala. Use me. Bello paint 265. 265. Just imagine. So, nagulat ako kasi 235 yung malaki that time last year. Last year talaga, kaya bumibili pa ako ng last, Maids of 2024. Ganito yung price na 235. So, yan, nag-bill and station tayo. Of course, guys, veterans, hindi mawala, no? Inhaler. So, addict talaga ako na to since college. Ito yung, ito yung nagsiserve as my UC. Okay? Never ako nag-UC, never ako gumagamit ng Sensiel. So, ito talaga yung aking, inhaler. Is it refreshing ko after ko kasi paubos na yung, inhaler ko Hindi kompleto yung aking umaga pag wala akong inhaler. Kasi it's good for the heart and lungs and mind, our mindset. Ma-relax ang ating mindset and our well-inside being. Kahit nasa office ako, kahit natutulog ako, mag-inhaler ako. Kaya yung sipon sa akin hindi makapag-atake. I mean, hindi siya makapag-stay. Kung masisipunin man ako, dalang lang. Pag hindi ako nakapag-inhaler, pero pag nakapag-inhaler ako, lagi. Wala ako sisipunin. And guys, our breakfast for today, kasi nagutom na ako. Kailangan natin babad na tayo ng ating Quaker Oats. Our breakfast is just a banana in honey flavor. So, no need na yung banana toppings and honey. Last, teenager, bumibili lang ako ng yung without flavor, and nilalagay ko siya ng banana sa taas, yung toppings and honey. So, ngayon, kasi yung nabibili ko is clear lang. Original. Without flavor. Just say lang kung ano yung toppings mo sa taas. Isa, mango, whatever. So, our breakfast for today is Quaker Oats. Ayan, so let's proceed. Okay, so bumili na rin tayo ng lactacid since ubus na yung ating lactacid na binili last. Diba ako bumili? Ang tagal nito kasi natin hati ko lang. Last year. And of course, our alcohol. Ayan. Ubus na kasi alcohol natin, guys. Bumili tayo na. It's just 1 week lang to. Maybe almost 1 week and a half. And of course, bumili na rin tayo ng ating carefree. Okay. Of course, beach rest. And that, okay. Minsan, pag nasanay na kasi ako gumagamit ng Betchers talaga, lagi-lagi na. Pero pag natigilan ko, nasasanay din ako sa walang Betchers. So, it's just contentment. Pero pag, kailangan kasi nito, kasi pag meron ako menstruation, ay minsan natamad akong maligo, so kailangan na magpunas. Ayan. So, kailangan ko ng Betchers. And of course, yung pinaka-main purpose bakit tayo nag-Voltar is just my vitamins. Okay, may vitamins, may RA. So, ubos na yung aking may RA. So, kailangan ko ng vitamins. And, bumili na rin ako ng ating sa kuko. Okay, it's just 79 pesos, guys. Veterans, tatlo na. So, buy one, take two. 79 pesos. So, dati siyang 79 each. Okay? 79 bawat isa. So, since nagsell sila, okay, buy one, take two na sila. So, di ba, it's just, ang ganda. Nakapag-save tayo ng worth of, 160. Kasi, okay, worth of 160 yung na-save natin. Kasi buy two. Take one, buy two. So, Buy one, take two. And mogo-mogo. Hindi na malamig ang aking mogo kasi kagabi pa. And bumili na rin ako ng ating Goya chocolate. Ayan. So, si mango yan. And Fletcher Olay. So, bumili tayo ng 4. Kasi hindi na talaga ako hiyang sa pants. Kasi, pag nagpapans ako, I feel like nangingitim ako. Pero nung teenager ako, when I was 16 years old, 16 to 20 years old, to 22 years old, only pants ang ginagamit ko. And the rest of my teenager talaga nung when I was 13 years old, first year high school, pants talaga ginagamit ko. So ngayon, we just stick to Olay. So Olay, kailan ko lang siya ginamit ang Olay since 2022. It's right now, so yeah. Olay natural. So it's good for my body. So before applying the liquid foundation or ito muna. Ito ang ating moisturizing ng ating mukha. So, and of course, humili na ako ng ating tawas. So, dati, Nivea talaga gamit ko. Laging Nivea. So I feel it, parang dumidikit na din yung pag napapawisan ako ng buhay ako ng So, just tawas. Mas okay yung tawas para sa akin. Kasi, I feel it dry lagi ang aking underarm. Hindi siya, like, yung mga, deodorant size of, holding lotion or underarm. So, I feel tweet lagi. Nakita sa'yo kung tweet. So, ayan. So, yun ang pinili natin sa ating Walter. So, it's a great help to have sir. Okay. Ayan. So, wala akong binayad ni pisong duling sa aking mga pinamili. Okay. Thank you so much, Walter. Thank you so much, Watson, for providing my needs. Okay. It's a great help kasi since we had many more obligations and meron pa tayong dalawang obligations, hindi nakakaso kapagpadala kay mother kasi inuuna natin ang ating mga siblings, financing their studies and their bills. Okay. Pauwi na lang tayo pag nakatapos na. So, nakapagpahinga na si ate. I mean, pwede na siguro akong mag-vacation. Mag-iwali sa buong bansa. Hindi ako makapag-ipon and makapag-travel for less years. Hindi na tayo naghihirap. So, mas better na magtulungan muna hanggat meron pang nasa baba, hanggat meron pang nagpo-pursue ng kanyang dreams, tulungan. Kasi, at the end of the day, that's your burden as your siblings. As being an eldest sister among the family, you should help. We must rather help our siblings to uplift, okay, like us. No one leaves behind. So, lahat, sabay-sabay, lilipad sa kalawakan. Sabay-sabay, aasin. So, walang may iiwan. Hindi yung, kung sinong mataas is, hayaan lang yung kapatid na sa mababa. Hindi ganun. Kailangan is magtulungan. Okay. Para lahat ay masaya. And lahat ay magandang pamumuhay. And with that, we will change. Wow, so cute. I really appreciated Flormar fall color nail enema. So nice. Yan, tapos na guys. Napakaganda, ang ganda ng pink. So next week, ito yung gagamitin natin. And then, another week na naman, violet. Thank you so much, Flormar. Ang ganda. And our mogo-mogo is pink as well. Okay, mamaya na tayo kakain. Mag-merienda natin mamaya alas 3. Nakapansit canton with cookies. Brownies. Kahit hindi siya malamig, masarap siya. Love ko to. Nung college ako, every Friday night, pag afternoon law subject, ayan. Ito yung iniinom ko. Nawala na mapabalik ng brain cells. Good for diet kasi yung manata niya. Sarap. Okay, let's start our last day tournament on Silver Lake. Tara. Kailangan makaabot tayo. Okay, go back for our chess tournament for today. So this is called, guys. God bless. Yan ang ating mga kuko. With mogo-mogo. So my family